What's up, gamers? So it's day 2, Saviors of Uldum, and rather than playing more Quest Rogue, I decided I'd try out a combo Paladin deck. I got the deck list from Comparion. I'll just link him down in the description. So basically, you just play Tip the Scales, and you just flood the board. And then if they clear it, you just do it again, and by that point, you have so much pressure on the board, you win. It's usually early game enough that it's fine. I was able to string a couple of really good games together that got me to rank 5, which was really my goal for the day. Got 2 ranks in the last 2 days, so at this rate, legend in 5 days. It's going to work. Just click that subscribe button for daily videos of my climb to legend for the August season. Peace out. Murloc Paladin, baby. Let's get it. I don't want to tip the scales. Tasty Fin. Probably too slow with all the 1-drops that I could get. Yeah.
Hello.
What's up? Really just need lens so bad. This deck is quite a bit easier when you draw prismatic lens. True story. Is this control mage? Something lame probably. Conjurer's mage is still a thing.
Hello.
Could be a couple of things, I guess. Sick. That's huge, dude. Big.
I hope you like my invention.
Okay. I don't want him to be able to attack into that and ping it. So we're going to have to sacrifice the buff there. Prismatic Lens, draw on turn 4. It's happening.
The future is ours.
Interesting that he plays that there. Because now it's dead. He can't Blizzard yet, so I'll just send it. Probably expect a Blizzard next turn at least.
Need a key?
What? Flame Ward? Yeah, if that's Flame Ward, then I'm sad. Oh, okay. Not even sad. 10, 16. Yeah. Huge. Let's go, dude. This deck is so scummy. The only way he survives that is with Flame Ward, but if he gets Flame Ward there, then I'm disappointed. Quality game. Let's get another. Hunter. What's Hunter gonna do? Something not epic, probably? Mermy, baby. What a start. Got Lens in the opening hand. That's big, as long as I don't draw both Tip the Scales. If I draw the next Lens in the next 3 turns, that'd be freaking big. I would take that. Get rid of that. Just don't coin Unleash. Which really wouldn't be an awful play. I mean, he'll get more value out of it later, but it shuts me down at this point in the game. Is he doing it? He did it. I shouldn't have said anything, dude. I gave him the idea. I hate this game. That's rough. Oh, that's a good one. Just don't draw Tip the Scales next turn. Singleton Hunter. Really? Hey, you got the other lens? That's 4 now. Okay. He's playing Singleton and he had coin unleash at the beginning. That makes me even more. I mean, the coin's fine, but unleash at the beginning. Whack. Yoink. Give me something epic. 8. Dormage. Bro, I'm about to outsmork this hunter. Easy. No AoE unless he has explosive trap, which he probably does as Singleton Hunter, but does he have it in his hand? That's probably unlikely. Not going to play around the Singleton deck. What are you doing? Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I like that. I don't think I care what he's doing here. I'm just going to keep going face. Unless I want to take that out. That's a tough choice. Yeah. I probably should. Hopefully I'm not off of lethal by 3. That'd be lame. Although I'm not scared of explosive trap anymore. You can't have another unleash. Yeah, I don't care about that. Face, baby! Ah. I super don't care about it. Snake trap? That has to be explosive trap, right? If it's not, I win. If it is, I need one more turn. Yeah, it is. Could I get Zephyrus? Zephries? Like Jeffrey, but Zephyr? No, I want it. Beast, Secret, and Weapon. Interesting. I think he still loses. So if he hits that, and he hits that, he can't play longbow. That's over. Well, explosive trap. If you got that from that secret that he just got. Which he didn't, otherwise he would have played it and just went on. Is it misdirection maybe? Oh, I win. High skill card, baby! Oh, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yoink. Super balanced. One win away, dude. Druid. I don't like Quest Druid or Token Druid. So either way, this is whack. Ooh, that's bad. Alright, if I see tip the scales again, I'm going to be upset. Give me a lens. Give me a lens, baby. Hey, what's up? Nice coin. That's got to be like the worst thing ever. Well, not for him, but for me. It just makes me sad when a druid gets to go second as Quest Druid. But he doesn't want to do that, right? There's no way he wants to hero power this turn. Because he wants to complete his quest. Oh. He could do that, I guess. I would have Cold Light Seared if that had survived, but didn't quite work out that way. Yoink! Oh! I'm bad? I have Lens in my hand? I'm actually trash at this game. If I draw Tip the Scales right now, I'm going to be upset. Because I'm probably the worst player of all time. Okay. It's fine. I did it on purpose. That was the whole plan. Easy, dude. You see, you would think that I got saved by luck there, but that was pure skill. Every bit of that was absolute skill. So that's dead, and that's dead, I guess. I don't care. Ask me if I care. I don't care. Yoink. Peace. Yoink. Go face. Do we win? I guess you could have the restore 6 health and or 12 health and a taunt.
Victory is yours.
Oh really? Thank you. Alright, well. Took 2 days to get from rank 7 to 5. 1 rank a day. Hey, at this rate, 5 more days till legend.